Hello and welcome again to online classes of Shemstar Global School. This is Nabila Fatima. Today we are going to start a first chapter from history, that is when, where and how. We all know that history is divided into three parts. First is ancient history, second is medieval history and the third is modern history. In class 6th, we learned about the ancient history. In class 7th, we studied about the medieval history. In this, we have studied that there were two main dynasties in India. First is Delhi Sultanate and the second is Mughal Empire. And we also know that this was the time when Britishers came to our country for doing trade. In class 8, we will study about the modern period. The modern history begins with the establishment of the British power under the East India Company in our country. Transition to the modern period. The advent of the British in India, first as traders and later as political rulers of the land, brought about a new era in the Indian history. The British, however, were not the first foreign visitors to India. Towards the end of the 15th century, traders from Portugal, France, Spain and Holland also came to India. They were lured by the riches and immense wealth of the spice trade. The setting up of trading factory in India by the British and the French in the 16th century led to the flourishing trade. We will also study that how Britishers became the political masters of our country and also the end of British rule. New rulers, a new era. The British and their missionaries initially came to India for trade and commerce and for the spread of Christianity. They had no political ambitions, but they got lured by the riches and wealth of India. Taking advantage of the unstable political conditions of the 18th century, they gradually established their control on the major parts of our country. A system of imperialism was started where a country established its rule over the other countries. Princely states existed at that time, but over the time they had to accept the supremacy of the British. Britishers established their presidencies in Madras, Bombay and Bengal. Next is colonization. It is a system where powerful countries control a political, economical and cultural aspects of the other country. When the British transformed themselves into a ruling power, they started making structures as per their need. For example, bungalow was made for the British officers. They also started developing the hill station like Shimla, Darjeeling, Nainital so that they can go to hill stations at the time of hot summers. The British also established many universities and schools in India. This exposed Indians to English education as well as the English language. Our next topic is periodization. Periodization means that it divides history into three parts: ancient period, medieval period and the modern period. So, the period which we are going to study is called the modern period. The modern period began in Europe after the Industrial Revolution. However, it was not the modern period for Indians, as modern period was associated with liberty, equality and democracy, but none of these were there in the British rule. At that time, when Britishers were ruling in our country, India became a supplier of raw materials at cheap rates for British industries. Local industries and standard of living of the people declined. India became a colony being exploited by the British power. Therefore, Indian historians refer this period as colonial period for India instead of modern period. Next is mapping. Britishers believed that a country had to be known properly before it could be effectively administered. Detailed survey was carried out to map the entire country. Maps were carefully prepared showing towns and cities, flora and fauna, and geographical features like mountain, rivers, and plateaus. So, first part of this chapter was completed. I hope that you have understood the topics. Please see the video carefully, and if you have any problem in understanding anything, then please ask from me by putting your questions in the comment section. Thank you.